Hello, CS scholars. Today we will do Unit 2 WindChime from our English workbook. Let's start. Children, in our poem number 2, WindChime from our students' book, we learnt that how those two girls turned a bottle into a beautiful wind chime. And here in this worksheet number 1, few materials are listed out and you have to choose any material and you have to create something useful. For example, paper cups, straws, ice cream sticks, empty cardboard boxes, strings, beads, ribbon, poster colors, glue. You can choose any one material. For example, ice cream sticks. I have chosen ice cream sticks. So here in the given space, I will write ice cream sticks, glue, beads, and with that ice cream stick, I am going to make a box, ice cream sticks box, and in that box I'm going to keep anything whichever I will like. For example, eraser, my stationery items, my hair clips, whatever I will like, I will keep in that ice cream sticks box. So whatever you are going to make, whatever you are going to create, write that material here, and you have to write the steps of that item which you are going to make. Here, step 1, step 2, like this you have to write the steps. Take out page number 20, worksheet number 2. Read this form about some very important things that even kings and presidents can't do without. Children, wherever we go, we look people differently. We judge people according to their wealth, power, status, or looks. But for our day-to-day life, we need some of the basic things that we can't skip to do our routine tasks. We can't manage a day without doing those activities. Let's see which are those activities. But remember this thing, children, whether they are kings or ordinary people, no one can live without doing his or her common tasks or routine work without the help of common things. Let's see. Everyday things. Millionaires, president, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Yes, children, whether he or she is a millionaire or ordinary person, they can't live without doing their everyday task. Were you president, king, or millionaire, you would use a comb to comb your hair. Yes, children, an ordinary person will use a comb to comb her hair. And same with the kings and presidents also. They will only use comb to comb their hair. And if you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope, you would take a bath with water and soap. Yes, children, if you wish to be clean, you will use soap and water. And same with the kings. They will use the same thing only. And you would have to eat. If you wanted to eat bread and vegetables, fish and meat, obviously, children, whatever the ordinary people are eating, same things the kings and presidents are eating. While your drink for breakfast would probably be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. Yes, children, in the morning we are having our milk or tea, and same with the kings and president. They are also taking the same things in the morning. You would have to wear, you would hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stockings and shoes. Yes, children, if you want to cover yourself, you are covering with clothes and shoes. And same thing the kings are using to cover themselves. And stockings. Stocking means it's a pair of long tight socks. If you wanted to make a reminding notes, you would take a pencil out of your coat. Yes, children, if you want to note something, you will use your pencil. And same things the kings and presidents they are using pencils only. And you couldn't sign a letter, I think, with anything better than pen and ink. Yes, children, if you want to sign something and you will use ink and a pen. Same with the kings and president. They are using the same ink and pen for signing their letters. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspapers, magazines, or books. Yes, children, obviously, if you want to read something, you will take a newspaper or magazine or any book to read. And same with the kings and president. If they wish to read something, they will take this newspapers or magazines only. And if it happened that you were ill, you would dump some oil or chalk on a pill. Children, whether if any ordinary person is ill, what he would do? If he is ill, yes, he will take some pills to get well soon. And same with the kings. If they are ill, they will take some pills to get well soon. Down means here in this poem, down means drink very fast. Oil means medicine, and chalk on means swallow. Yes, we will swallow some pills to get well soon. If you had a cold, I can only suppose you would use a handkerchief for your nose. Yes, if we are suffering from cold, we will use handkerchief only. And same with the kings and presidents. They will use the same thing only, handkerchief. When you wanted to rest your weary head, like other folks, you would hop into bed. Children, weary head means when you are extremely tired. And when you are extremely tired, you hop, you jump quickly into your bed. Here, folks means common people, like general people. If they are tired, they get into their bed quickly. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. So, children, whether a king is there or any ordinary person is there, so they are using the same things to do their everyday activities. So, who is the writer? Who is the poet of this poem, children? Jean Eyre. And what did you learn from this poem? That children, God has made us equal. We all are same from inside. Treat everyone equally. Here some words to know are given. Millionaires. Millionaires means very rich people. Stockings. A pair of long tight socks. Down. Here in this poem, down means drink very fast. Oil. Medicine. Choke on. Swallow. See exercise A. Answer these questions. What do you think the poem is about? Children, what do you think the poem is about? Yes, the poem is about the most powerful people and their basic things what they are using for their daily activities. Take out page number 22. Question number 2. How are millionaires, presidents, and kings similar to ordinary people? Give any two examples from the poem. Children, how ordinary and millionaire or kings are same? Yes, in the poem, the poet has told us that if they want to comb their hair, if the kings want to comb their hair, they are using combs. If they want to sign their letter, they are using ink and pen. Same things we are using. The question number 3. Are there things that millionaires, president, and kings do, say, or eat that ordinary people do not? Name any two of these things. Children, how ordinary people and millionaires they are different from each other. See, um, presidents or king, they hold a position of power in the society, and the millionaires and the presidents, they have several servants at their home to help them. So, like this, they are different from ordinary people. Question number 4. Pick out the rhyming words in the poem. Children, which are the rhyming words in the poem? Like uh, kings, things, eat, meat. So find the rest of the rhyming words by your own. Try to get the answers. I will be sending you the notes. Bye bye. Good day.